Good morning. Welcome to Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Lonnie.Bowers, 5-star sales consultant. I'm here to show you this 2021 Lance 975 truck camper. Beautiful unit. Of course, it's new. Comes from Lance. A beautiful camper, gorgeous colors inside, plenty of storage on the outside. When you walk in the coach, you're going to notice that there's a slide on the left or driver's side of the unit. Light colors, that'll be a booth and a refrigerator. Nice entry into the bedroom. The really nice and unique thing about this camper is it has a dry bath, just like you'd see in a regular trailer. Makes it very nice open floor plan. I want to say thanks again for stopping by our website here and looking at this 2021 Lance camper. If you have any questions about this unit, please give me a call. My name is Lonnie.Bowers. The best way to reach me is area code 458-210-4130. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.